Right, so I'm back for another video, and this is going to be a repair video. Now, I did a dangerous thing. I saw a video in my trending, featured, related, whatever, something on YouTube. I saw a video by Geek Detour about fixing his iPod Classic, and I felt like I wanted to have a go at that. But I didn't own an iPod Classic, so I bought one. And the eBay seller just said iPod, it's not working, battery problems and stuff. He also threw in some headphones and a cable, which neither of them were pictured, so that's nice, although this cable doesn't seem to work with the iPod Classics. I haven't been able to get that to work. In fact, out of all my 30-pin cables, only one works reliably on this, and one kind of works for charging but not for syncing. It's really weird. Anyway, new battery should help. So let's get inside it, and to do that I'm going to use this. It's the iSesamo. I mean, it's going to be hard to show this on the camera, but I'm basically just going to put the tool in between the case there and pry. That easy. Now, a lot of people have problems with this, and I can understand how. I've already opened this iPod before, so I know what I'm doing a bit. So there we've got the battery connector. Now, ideally you'd use a non-metallic object on that. Yeah, so we're going to just have to use a tiny flathead. So down here is the battery connector, so obviously you don't want to just yank this off, so you can be careful to just pry it up a tiny bit with a screwdriver, and then there you go, we're in. That should work. It's a Vodafone SIM card. Yeah. To get this old battery out, because we obviously need to unadhese it. Now this is not going to be easy to do, and also there's other cables running under there, so I don't want to bend the battery too much. This doesn't want to come out, does it? I don't want to use the iSesamo though, because I feel like I would either damage the ribbon cables going under it, or I would pierce the battery, and neither of them is a good option really. We're in, we're out, we're out, we're out. So yeah, I can't tell if this is the original battery or not, but we're in, and we got it out. Well, the hold switch isn't going to work anymore. Oh well, I'm going to have to do a follow-up video then where I bloody replace that. So, this is my first time doing this, so not only am I messing up the framing, but it's expected that I'm going to mess up the actual replacement as well. So here's the new battery. It's the thin battery, so it should be relatively the same size. Yeah, same sort of size. Same sort of connector on there. Who knows, let's plug it in and see if it catches fire. So, the old battery was in like that. At the moment I just want the iPod to work, so I've already destroyed the hold cable. I'm not going to put the adhesive on the battery because I need to obviously get a new hold cable for it. So then, now that I've destroyed my hold cable, would you look at that, we got life. Instantly life, because the hold switch doesn't work anymore. Hopefully it doesn't see the hold switch is always on, but yep, doesn't see the hold switch is on. That's working. There you go, that was easy. This thing, piece of crap, obviously. More annoyingly, it's bloody adhesive over the hold cable, So you destroyed a hold cable in the process of removing this. The iPod itself is working, and it's got a battery in it now. I'll see you in the next video.